Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Recibera. Today we're going to start a night session, but first I need to clean up all the things that I finished up last night for RC Lovey Dovey. Here we have the bookmarks. I'm using the nail cutter to trim out the edges because they come out a little rough when you get it out of the mold and they're not too nice on the finger. So I cut it out the excess resin and then pass it on the sanding paper with grit 220 to smooth it out. I also do that basically to all of my resin molds when they're done, just to smooth out the surfaces and make it look a little bit smoother. There we go. Then I put on my mask so you can start doing the mix. And before that, I clean up the silicone cup where I'm gonna do my mix. Take out the big parts with my hand, and then I use a masking tape to take out those little things that are staying in the walls of the silicone cup. I found out that tape is the best way to get rid of that the hard to get resin. And so in here I'm also cleaning out the tool that I used to spin it or to mix it. Here I'm using more tape. And then before I start mixing, I like to get the mica powder to see all the colors that I want to mix. And then I use a little bit of different colors depending on the design that we're making. And then we move on to putting on your gloves because you don't want to deal with resin without gloves. And then I take out the A and B parts of the epoxy resin. I'm going to pour an equal ratio amount. And once everything is set up, I start spinning and take it slow.